Welcome back to our Meatless series. In part one, we looked at research. In part two, we are focusing on elimination. And we just have a few steps and a few ideas of elimination so that you can become more comfortable in letting go of certain meat products from your diet. But before we get there, let me remind you about the description area where you are able to find more resources. And in the outset, may I suggest starting with a list, going through and finding what you don't need, whether it's in your mind, whether it's in your home, whether it's in your pantry, your freezer, wherever it is. It may be even on your computer desktop. Go through and eliminate. So we start with begin the process of eliminating things in your home that are unhealthy. That begins with your mindset, especially the toxic one that says, I can't get rid of this. I can't let go of that. But in order for you to have peace of mind, sanity, you must have an environment that's free of clutter. And that begins with your mind. You must learn that you must train your brain to be free of things that are not needed. You cannot be so clingy, especially when it comes to your health. 2, eliminate food products that promote unhealthy cravings and replace with wholesome ones. And as I've said in a previous blog, sweets, salty foods, spicy foods, certain seasonings, etc., that promote the cravings, they lead you to want and crave things like unhealthy food products. That's why food manufacturers put salt and sugar and MSG and other food flavoring things in your food so that you crave more. You know that old commercial? I bet you can't just have one chip. They know what they was talking about. They put in addictive products so that it will make you want to have more and more and more and more. Learn to eliminate. Number 3, the hard part. It's time to decide which meat item you can do the least without. The one that registers not even a 5 on your list. Eliminate it. Eliminate it from your pantry, your refrigerator, your deep freeze, whatever. Get rid of it. Just cold turkey it out of your life. Just one item. And finally, along with a toxic mindset, eliminate other things in your environment, like we said in the intro, that are not conducive to health. Even practicing decluttering your mind and your house. Like I said, this is a great step in the process of letting go of things that you don't need. So when it comes to meat, it becomes easier. You know, as it is, practice, as they say, becomes perfect, at least in this sphere. And so as I go, once again, I remind you, the description area, especially the Practical Lifestyle Change PDF. It is my hope and fondest wish that in these next few days that you will make it your habit to be healthy, both in mind, body, and